안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today, I will show you how to make one of my favorite Korean side dishes using half-dried polak, which is called kodari jorim in Korean. We need about 13 ounces of half-dried polak, kodari, for my recipe, but I doubled the recipe for this video. Since my polak was frozen, I'm going to rinse it once in cold water. If you buy whole half-dried polak, cut it into 2-inch pieces and remove the fins with scissors like this. I bought pre-cut frozen kodari. In a bowl, combine the soy sauce, 간장, red pepper powder, 고춧가루, sugar, 설탕, minced garlic, 다진 마늘, cooking oil, 식용유, black pepper, 후추, ginger powder, 생강가루, and water, 물. Mix it all together until the sugar dissolves. In a pan, place all the fish. And then pour the sauce mixture on top of the fish. Start to cook it on high, and once it starts to boil, cook it for about 10 minutes on medium. After 10 minutes, add the corn syrup, 물엿, and increase the temperature to medium-high. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. The broth will be reduced in half. Be careful not to burn it, so keep an eye on it. Meanwhile, you can chop the green onions, pa, into 1-inch pieces. After 15 minutes, add the chopped green onions and cook for 5 more minutes on high. You can see that I increased the temperature slowly. When it is done, the liquid will be like a thick sauce. This looks absolutely delicious. For the final touch, if you want, you can sprinkle some sesame seed. Keep this in the refrigerator and serve it with rice. I'm very happy to share this delicious recipe with you today. Please try my kodari jorim recipe, take a picture and share it with me through Instagram or Facebook. Enjoy your delicious Korean side dish and see you next time.